Hello, welcome to the tutorial on the assembly of the 3DOrganizers modular hexagon wine rack. There's two main components to this wine rack. You have the bottle holder piece, and then you've got the connector piece. So I'm going to demonstrate how to put together a 10 bottle configuration. So the basic rule of thumb when putting this together is that every holder piece should have two connectors holding it together. So to start, we'll start with our first connector piece. We're going to put it in the bottle holder in one of these 6 different slots. We can pick any one. So we're going to put it in just till it is in there nice and firm. You can give it a little pull, it shouldn't pull out. So just give it a good push in there and it should stay. Take a second bottle holder piece. I'm going to join it up here at the front. And it just kind of clicks right in there. It shouldn't take too much pressure, and it should hold pretty well. So you can see it's not coming apart now that I just gave it a good little push. I'll now do a third connector piece here. And that's clicked in there well. And we're going to do the fourth one. So for this 10 bottle configuration, I'm going to start with 4 bottles on the bottom. So I'm going to use a connector piece connected here at the end, and then I'll put one more on the other side. Okay, I can take more bottle holders and I will add them on. See, they go on nice and easy. There shouldn't be too much force required to get them to stay in place. Put the ends on here. Okay, so now I'm going to start building up. So you've got 4 bottle holders here on the bottom. I'm going to build 3 on top of it. As I said, the rule of thumb, there should be 2 connector pieces on each holder. So I'm going to start with just putting one here, and it just kind of slides right in there. So I'm going to do one each on each set here. So we're going to do one here. Now the user has a good amount of freedom here to put them wherever they want. I just recommend 2 per holder just for added durability and stability. And our 4th one. Okay, so I'm going to start building up here. Take another connector. Now I'm going to add a connector here on the end. As I said, you really want 2 holding each in place, so I'm going to put one here between this and the next one that will be added in a moment. Okay, so I added the connector here, and I'm going to slide this one. So this one actually has 3 it's holding it in place. See, they're nice and flat here in the front. Okay, I'm going to add another connector here between the two. Alright, so we're going to add 3 more connectors here before starting the next route. Alright, now I'm starting the second to last row here. So I'll be sliding this on. And as you can see, there's a lot of places where there's actually more than 2 connectors holding each in place. That's fine. The more connectors, the more stability you'll have. But I just recommend a minimum of at least 2. So we're going to have 1 connector here between the top 2. And we're going to put 2 more on for this final top piece. And here we go, we're sliding the last one, it clicks right in. And there you go. So that's a 10 bottle holder wine rack from 3DOrganizers. Alright, now that we're all assembled, I'm going to just demonstrate placing the wine bottle. See, it just sits in there nice and steady there. Place another bottle, and you're good to fill up the wine rack as you see fit.